Well, you know, the day began like any other day, pretty much. Got to the shop, goofed around a little bit, looked at things, thought, how wonderful would it be if I actually had some work? You know? Like, if I had people knocking on my door, hey man, I'm gonna buy your shit. How cool would that be? Yeah, but that doesn't happen for me. Say Livy. I still want to make stuff, and then I'll sell it. That's typically the way it goes. For me, anyways. For the past few years, I've really tried to relish in this time frame that I'm able to do this. Who knows? Maybe someday it will come to a stop. Maybe I won't be able to do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it. But for right now, I can. And right now, I want to make some chessboards. I also want to make chess pieces. I'd also like to turn some porch columns. I think that would be kind of fun. Some 7 foot, 5 inch by 5 inch diameter, columns to hold up somebody's porch. That would be pretty cool. It'd be pretty fun to make um, a segmented vessel. I've never done that. Honestly, like I don't really want to do that. I find segmented work dull. Oddly enough, one wouldn't generally find something with so many possibilities dull. But I do. Segmented work, it's not as adventurous for me as is carving into a chunk of log. Segmented turning is like being an engineer. You think ahead. Yeah, man, tomorrow I'm going to glue all these pieces of wood together. I'm going to do 1,982 pieces total. And I'm going to advertise that I got 1,982 pieces total. And people will be impressed. Oh, okay. What does it look like? It looks like the other bowl that I saw in a magazine. Oh, okay. Cool. What kind of woods did you use? Oh, I got 17 species. Wow. I don't want to hear them all. You can keep them to yourself. Segmented wood turners, they've got their place. I'm not against segmented wood turning. It's just not where I see my kind of skill that I want to improve on. If you plan segmented turning so well, your turning ability doesn't really have to exist. Okay? You can use those easy wood tools and get away with it just fine. Totally fine. I'm not an easy wood tool kind of guy either. You can't tell by now. Easy wood turning tools, the carbide cutters, they have their place. They do their jobs or whatever. I don't really know how to really even conceive of it because they came so late in the game, right? Tools have been around for a long time, and they're like, here are the easy ones. You're like, wait a minute, why didn't you have those a long time ago? Why didn't you have these easy tools like when we first started making tools? Now that I know the hard tools, why the hell do I want to go back and get easy tools? Just saying.